it's Jeannie here, ang babaeng nasa Australia. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world. Welcome. Say hi, Baba. Say hi. Andito siya sa tabi ko while nagpe-prepare ako ng dinner. So, I'm trying to make shredded chicken with rice. Parang Mediterranean food ito eh. Na ano ko to sa pagkain ng isang, anong lahi yun? Iraqi ata to eh. Tapos lalagyan yung rice ng almond and then very fine na klase ng noodles. I'll show it to ya once it's finished. Anyway, so what we're going today is I will be continuing the Get to Know Me Part 2. So, ang dami namang questions ginawa sa akin ni ChatGPT. So, let's take on the love and marriage. For now, let's take on the love. Okay, first question would be, how did I meet my hubby? I met my habibi at work. So I worked with LF Logistics before. Now it's owned by Maersk. The product is Adidas. It's an online pickpacking in a warehouse. Yes. So we pack we pick and pack. Actually, we didn't pack. We just pick the online orders of the customers. Yes, that's where I met my husband. Yes. So work kami nagkakilala. Second question is, who made the first move? It was him. Yeah, he made, of course. Okay, kahit ganito lang ako, no? Never ako first move. I always wait. Feeling the logang Filipino. So, yes. He asked me out, guys. We went on the date. Third question is, what was your first impression of him? Nung una ko pa siyang nakita, hindi pa kami noon nag-hang out with other friends. Talagang I was very impressed because he is very hardworking. And I love it when a guy is hardworking. Ayoko ng tatamad-tamad na tao. Talagang yun ang sa akin red flag ang isang lalaking tamad. And he is always very helpful. Halos lahat ng nangangailangan ng tulong at work. Hindi naman niya yun, hindi naman niya dapat gawin yun, but he is doing it. Kasi siya software engineer siya. Yes. So talagang very matulungin, very helpful siya. I was impressed, just everything about him being hardworking. Check. Halaba nga check. Okay, next question is, what's the funniest cultural difference between you? I was so ignorant about Indian, having an Indian, being with an Indian relationship. Kasi may mga, halimbawa na lang is yung caste thing and arranged marriage. Okay? Yan talaga yung cultural differences na I was also culture shocked na sa panahon ngayon meron pa palang ganun. Parang sa India, the time stopped. And they are still practicing this kind of arranged marriage and all. Kasi sa TV ko na lang to napapanood and mga story yan, yung mga kupong-kupong pa ba. I didn't know that they're still practicing this and including yung may mga dowry and churba. And pagkain din kasi yung asawa ko is pure vegetarian. I would say, let me correct that, vegan. Sabi niya vegetarian daw siya, but base sa experience ko, para siyang vegan. Wait. I'll come back, guys. So, let's continue. Tinawag ko ng asawa ko, siya naglilinis siya sa likod ng bahay kasi yung grass is very tall na. What's wrong, Baba? Are you pooping? Tagal ko naman ito. Okay, so we're about yung cultural differences. So yun nga. pagkain niya, talagang nahirapan kasi ako. Iba yung pagkain ko, iba yung pagkain ng anak ko, iba yung pagkain niya. I'm pure on Filipino Asian food, and my son is like, my son and daughter is more like Aussie European type. Well, for my son, it's too early to tell, but I can see he's already very picky. And since dito siya lumaki, so it's gonna be like that. So, Australian, white food, European food. And so talagang 3 dishes ang maluluto ko nito sa isang araw. No, 3 times a day, different dishes. But I'm not gonna do that. Once a day is enough. Bala sila. So, next question is, what's one thing you wish you knew before becoming a parent? Oh no, sorry, that was motherhood. What was the secret to your relationship? Oh, so many. I still have to tell you all my story. Hindi pa dyan yung story na nagtatapos. So complicated. So stressful. Mentally and physically and emotionally stressful yung aming love story. Okay? And we will get onto that. Okay? On my next video. Right now, pahapiyaw lang muna. So, yung mga basics lang. And, so yeah. Let's do fun and random questions kasi meron pa akong, time. Coffee or tea daw? Parang quick questions ito eh. Coffee or tea? Both. Beach or mountains? Both. Morning person or night owl? Night owl. What's your dream travel destination? I would like to go to Bali since I've never been in Indonesia. And I would like to go again in Switzerland. Yes, I've been there, but I would like to go again. And if you won the lottery tomorrow, what's the first thing you would do? Pay all my debts. And buy a house. And land and businesses in the Philippines for my family. And buy a house here for me. And rental properties. And start a charity work. Yes. What's your biggest pet peeve? Pet peeve? I'm not sure. Let's get onto that next time. What's your favorite childhood memory? When childhood, yung bata ka pa na wala ka pang iisip na problema. Although, problematic na ako since I was young kasi, when you grow up to a broken family, people said that it doesn't affect you, but no, it's a lie. Nasi-shape ka. Kung ano ka ng bata pa. But, yes, I have one. Yung napunta kami sa farm, yung nag-harvest ng rice, parang masaya yun dahil kumpleto yung pamilya before the drama happens. Yung masaya yung ganun, parang bayanihan lang. I have that memory. Lalo na yung buhay pa yung aking lola. Yes. Yung aking lola Caridad. Next question. Yes, Bobby, yes. Let mommy finish first. What's one thing on your bucket list? To do a bungee jumping and travel to Switzerland, travel all over the world. What's your guilty pleasure? Chocolate. Fine dining. Kahit walang pera, fine dining. Bisyosa ang palaka. Kayo naman. There's one life, so let's enjoy it. What can viewers expect from your channel? Expect that I will be the funniest vlogger in the world. Hi guys, natapos ko na rin ma-shred ang chicken. Next is I'll be chopping onion. Yes. First question, let's continue the get to know me. Let's take on the motherhood. First question, tell us about your baby boy. Well, my baby's name is Matthew. He is now 7 months old. Yes. And what's your favorite thing about being a mom? My favorite thing about being a mom is that I can spend time with my children. It is very stressful, but I don't know, I can't explain. I think yung mga mothers, yung lang yung makakaget sa akin. And I can't describe the feeling. Lalo na nang malaman ko na I'm having another baby. I couldn't express the feeling. It's like outburst siya ng happiness. Ibang klaseng kaligayahan. Kahit na may worry ako on the other side. Kasi hindi mahirap. Iniisip ko, hindi ako makapagtrabaho. On that, aspect. Matitigil ako sa trabaho, which nangyari nga ngayon, and medyo nahirapan kami kasi isa lang yung nagtatrabaho, and medyo hindi ako makapagbigay sa pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. Dahil syempre, dalawa yung anak ko. Yung isa kong panganay mag-uni na next year. It's not cheap here, you know. Alam niyo yan sa mga dito nakatira sa Australia. Maliban na lang kung mayayaman kayo, well then you will not relate with me. But sa mga normal couples dyan na katulad ko na without work, no money, well then you will get me. No work, no pay, no work, no money. Okay? Next question. What's the hardest part of motherhood? Hardest part is ngayon nahirapan ako sa anak ko kasi medyo challenging itong anak ko ngayon eh. Yung first baby ko kasi, she was very, not all children are the same. I love them both. Pero talagang this one, he is very handful in everything. But he is adorable. I love him a lot. That's it. And next would be, how has becoming a mother changed you? Everything. Physically, tumaba ako on everything. Hindi na ako makalabas. Gugustuhin ko. I always have to consider that, will it affect my son before I go out, before I do things? Will it affect my son, my daughter? Churva, ganan, kineme. Sorry, I'm sniffing. I have a runny nose. And last one would be, what's one thing you wish you knew before becoming a parent? I wish, masyado kasi akong naive nung bata-bata pa ako eh. Although hindi pa naman tayo goreng-goreng. Labas na sa kalendaryo, but yes. I wish na, kasi yung iba sasabi na, love is the most important thing in the world. Yes, it is. But then money is the most important thing in the world. I should have saved more, not being too careless about money and just being too careful financially in everything. And dapat align yung goal and yung basta priorities mo, lalo na pag may mga anak ka na. Hindi na yung puni yung ganun, yung ganyan, kineme. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Yeah, so next time I'll tell you our love story. Hindi lang yung pahapyaw, but let's dive in deeper. Yeah? I will also tell you yung mga struggles ng pag-aasawa ng isang Indian, lalo na pag ang pamilya ay very traditional. Yes. Let's do the closing question. If there's one thing I want people to remember about me, what would it be? happy. Yes. I have the loudest laugh always. I joke a lot and I think I find myself funny. Pero may kasabihan niya na the most happiest people, usually mga happiest people yun yung mga deep and na mga problema, which is true para sa akin. All of us have problems, but for me, yes, I had so much. Ayokong umiyok dito. For your audience, the most enduring questions will probably be yung migration story, how I met my Indian husband, motherhood, after labas na ng kalendaryo, raising a vegetarian baby, life lessons you've learned from being a Filipino in Australia. Let's get onto that next time kasi medyo mahaba na. And wait lang guys, pakita ko sa inyo sa labas ang ginagawa ng asawa ko. Matthew! What are you doing? Nilalagay niya yung kamay niya sa loob ng nililik tuloy siya. Now I have to clean again his little hands. Jesus. Andito sa loob ng cage yung mga aso ko kasi nagkakat ng grass yung asawa ko sa labas. Mga pasaway yan sila, day. Kaya hindi rin ako basta-basta nakakalabas. Kasi may mga alaga ako. Yes, I love dogs. And, yes. Let's go have a look at Dada. Pasensya na guys, marami sa labas. Ayan. Nasira itong lawnmower kasi kinagat siya ng aso ko. So, ito na nga, nakat niya. Hindi masyadong perfect. Pag naayos na to, then it will be more tidy. So, snip lang muna siya. Not bad. Itong area na to nakalbo kasi yung mga aso ko. Pero yung iba tumubo-tubo na. Yes. Malaki yung backyard. Ito yung storage. Dito mahahaba pa yung yung grass. Kailangan pa siyang putulin. I think gagawin yan bukas or if may time pa siya, ito yung lemon. Malaki yung backyard, not bad. Anyway, let's go inside. Hi! Ito na naman ang aking makulit. Kinukuha niya yung maliliit na rocks dyan. Pinapabayaan ko. Bahala siya. The more he is exposed to dirt, the better. Mas immune siya sa mga germs and churva-churva. Anyway, pasensya na guys, ang aking nilabuhan. Hindi ko pa natiklop. Anyways, yeah. Tapusin natin ang aking... Naggumawa pala ako ng chicken stock. Kasi gagawa ko ng soup. Noodle soup. So, yung mga bones ito na tira sa shredded chicken, yun. So, gumagawa ko ng chicken stock. Masarap na gawing shabao. Then, lagyan ng bit of vegetables and noodles. Okay? Yan, na-chop ko na. So, yan lang naman ang kailangan ko. And then, lalagyan ko lang ito ng, yung ganitong noodles ba? Then, rice, igigisa. And then, almond. Marami pa ako dito, but I'll use this one na. Ayokong buksan. But I don't think it will be enough, so, yes. So, yes, guys. Hanggang dito lang muna.